Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust chain tension. First, ensure your motorcycle is on a stand, allowing the rear wheel to spin freely. Gather your tools, including a torque wrench, an open-end wrench, and a measuring tape. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact chain slack specifications, as these can vary significantly between different models. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and accurate adjustment. Now let's check your current chain tension. Rotate the rear wheel slowly to find the tightest spot in the chain. Once found, use a ruler or measuring tape to measure the vertical free play, or slack, at the midpoint between the sprockets. Push the chain up and down, noting the total travel. This measurement is critical for determining if an adjustment is needed and by how much. To adjust the tension, first loosen the rear axle nut, but do not remove it completely. Next, use the adjuster bolts, typically found at the end of the swing arm, to move the wheel forward or backward. Turn each adjuster bolt in small, equal increments on both sides to maintain wheel alignment. Remeasure the slack frequently until it falls within the recommended range. Once set, tighten the axle nut to its specified torque. After tightening the axle nut, always perform a final check of both the chain tension and wheel alignment to ensure everything is correct. Spin the wheel to confirm smooth operation and no binding. Regular chain lubrication is also vital for extending its lifespan and maintaining peak performance. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals. Proper chain maintenance ensures a safer and more enjoyable ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.